Hello, guys. Welcome to EduCLAT's special GK analysis series. Today, we are going to cover Malabar exercise. First, let us know the meaning and the story behind Malabar exercise. Quad nations all set to begin Malabar practice. The naval forces of the four Quad countries will hold practices including destroyers, submarines, helicopters, long range sea, watch airplane, and first class uncommon power components, including the US Navy SEALs and Marcos. Two Indian warships, INS Shivalik and INS Kadmat, will be practicing in the current year's Malabar drill, that is, Indian Navy. The naval forces of India, United States, Japan, and Australia will start off the 25th release of the Malabar Maritime drills off the shore of the Pacific island Gunam on Thursday. The most recent release called Malabar 21, and that will be held from August 26 to 29. Each of the four members of the Quadrilateral Security Dialogue or the Quad have been practicing in the exercise since 2020. The aim of the exercise is to increase interoperability among the practicing navies, develop common understanding, and soaps for maritime security operations. The Indian Navy said in a statement on Wednesday. Two Indian P-81 maritime recognized aircraft and the Navy's Marine commandos will be taking part in the year's Malabar drill. The navies of the fourth Quad nation will be holding exercises involving destroyers, submarines, helicopters, long-range maritime part- patrol aircraft, and elite special forces elements, including the US Navy SEALs and Marcos. An Indian Navy said in a statement to the press on August 25. Also, India is planning to conduct its first tri-service exercise with the United Kingdom in the Arabian Sea towards the end of the October. The Arabian Sea, an official familiar with the developments, told Hindustan Times. India and France are also planning on boosting their defense cooperation by holding a new format of military exercise involving their armies, navies, and air forces. Since 2020, all four members of the Quadrilateral Security Dialogue, or the Quad, have been participating in the exercise. On Thursday, the navies of India, United States, Japan, Australia will kick off the 25th edition of the Malabar Naval Drills of the coast of the Pacific island Guam from 26 to 29 August. So, this is the history background. You can see that the first naval exercise named Malabar 1 between India and US has held in May 1992, and it was elementary level including passing exercise and basic manoeuvres. Three exercises were conducted before 1998 when the Americans suspended exercise after their tested nuclear. However, the US renewed military contacts following the September 11 attacks when India joined President George campaign against international terrorism. Over the years, the exercise has been conducted in the Philippine Sea, off the coast of Japan, in the Bay of Bengal, and the Arabian Sea. So let us discuss about the Malabar 21. The latest edition of the Malabar is named as Malabar 21. On Wednesday, the Indian Navy has stated that the aim of the exercise is to increase interoperability among the participating navies, develop common understanding, and scopes of maritime security operations. On 25th August, the Indian Navy has stated that the navies of the four Quad nations will be holding exercise involving all these things and elite special forces, including US Navy SEALs and Marcos. A wide range of surface, subsurface, and air operation will be carried out by the participating navies during the exercise. Unique operation teams, US Navy SEALs, Indian Marcos, and special boarding units of Japanese Maritime Self-Defence Force, that is JMSDF, will carry out visit board search and seize. Again, that is VBSS, right? So, training and simulated hostage rescue operations. India's plan about tri-service exercise. India is also planning to conduct its first tri-service exercise with the UK in the Arabian Sea towards the end of the October. India and France are also planning to boost their defense cooperation by holding a new format of military exercises involving their armies, navies, air forces according to the Hindu times. So we can say that the India is also planning to conduct its first tri service. Thank you.